Girl, tell me why I never heard from her again. Hey girl, okay, so hopefully you got a giggle from my last nanny horror story that I told you, but I have another one. So there was this girl that I hired from care.com this time. This is a while back. She was sitting up. This is for Adira. She was sitting up at that time. So this girl came, I mean, she'd been working for me for like 2 months. We were finally about like 3 months and you really start getting into like a really good groove. So we were like 2.5 month mark. It was starting to get really good because you do have to take time training after you've hired them. This is a whole process. So we're finally getting in our groove. Like everything's good. Adira loves her. I love her. She's making her food. She's doing all the stuff. And then she's like, okay, I've had a family emergency. I'm going to be out for the next 2 weeks. And I'll see you in 2 weeks. Cool. I'm so sorry. Like, please let me know what I can do. We'll be praying for you. I will be sending up all the healing vibes, whatever it is that I can do for you or your family. Please let me know. Girl, tell me why I never heard from her again. Like ever. I would message her like every other day, like, hey, I really hope that, things are going smoothly. Like, let me know like what I can do. We're looking forward to seeing you back, blah, blah, blah. So then after week 1, I was like, this does not feel right. Always go with your gut. When hiring and working with nannies, babysitters, Mother's Day out, daycare, whatever, go with your gut. Your gut, your intuition will never steer you in the wrong way. Never heard from again. I mean, cue the tumbleweeds.